Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now today's video is not a sewing tutorial, it's an unboxing video. I got a new tripod and this tripod is everything. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys the features, what I love about it, and basically everything about this L16 tripod and selfie stick. So let's get into it. So guys, this is what the packaging initially looked like. So yes, let's just get into what is inside. So guys, the first thing we have is actually the selfie stick, then a manual. Now the manual is in Chinese and English. You guys know how they do it. So that's how the manual looks like. And then the tripod itself comes in this white nylon-ish. So this is what it looks like, guys. When I even held it alone, I knew it was a durable product. I was happy with what I bought. Before I even bought it, I actually checked for reviews, videos on YouTube from people that have used it, and I learned a lot about it before buying it. I know it's durable, I know it's amazing, so I decided to get it. So this is the balance handle. You can use it to like rotate it around. You can do a 360 view of what you're doing and it would help you stabilize it really well. Now moving on to the next feature, this tripod has a remote control that you can use to like capture yourself for videos, pictures. Guys, you can use it for anything and you can just sit wherever you are and press it and to start recording or taking your pictures. It's actually really good. So all you have to do is connect it to your phone, and once this light is on, it's connecting, and yeah, so basically it actually works and it's actually really nice. Now I'm going to open up this part where you have to put your phone. So to access this part, you're going to loosen this small knob at the side right here, then pull it up just like this. And guys, with this tripod you can do an overhead shot, you can do like a anything. Basically it can turn upside down, it can go the other way around, it can stand straight up. Guys, the possibilities of this tripod stand are endless, and whatever angle you want to take, you're going to use this knob to like stabilize it basically. So tighten it so that it can stay at that exact angle that you want. So right here I'm just opening up the phone stand basically. So this is basically where you're going to insert your phone, and it can accept different sizes of phones basically, so not just this particular size of phone. It has this springy effect that you can just put your phone and to still stay no matter what size it is. So this is what it looks like on my phone, and it actually fits really well. Even if you shake it and shake it, it's not going to fall. So this is just me using the balance handle to turn it 360 degrees so that you guys can see how it works. And like I said, you can do an overhead shot, whatever shot you want to do. This is what it looks like. And then another feature I love about this, you can also make it either landscape or portrait videos. This works for everything. Another feature I love about this selfie stick and tripod is that it has this 1/4 interface. So this screw that you can use to put your camera, ring lights, microphone, anything that basically has this screw. So here I'm putting my microphone and this is how it fits. It fits very well. If I want to vlog, I can just use it once and for all. I don't need to stress myself on looking for where to keep my mic and everything. Everything is in one place. After testing out my mic with it, I decided to test my camera with it. So at first, I used it with my battery grip, but it didn't like go all around the way I wanted it to be. So I removed the battery grip and then I used just the camera like that. Guys, I have an unboxing video of my microphone and this battery grip on my channel already. I'm going to link them in the description box so you guys can go check them out. Guys, these are amazing products. I've had them for over 2 years or more and they've been working perfectly. I've not had any issues with any of them and they've been serving me really well. Also, I have a review of this camera as well. Guys, the Canon 600D is fire. It's everything you want, especially when you're buying your first camera. This camera is the amazing in-between camera that you can get between beginner and advanced. So it's just right for you to learn and learn everything you need to learn. So guys, this is what it is with the camera. If you're making a vlog or a video basically of maybe a get ready with me video and you want a landscape mode and a portrait selfie mode, basically you can easily put your camera on top right there, and then you have your phone with your portrait version under it right there, so you can easily, create content with different angles, show different varieties of your video. So it's going to look like you have a b-roll basically, and basically your footage will just be different and more crisp basically. So that's what I love about this particular one. I can easily have two different versions of my content, and with this camera you can easily see yourself with the flip out screen. That's another reason why you need this camera, because it's actually really really amazing. It has all the features that an advanced camera should have, yet it's still like a beginner friendly camera. Do you guys get? Now guys, here's another amazing feature of this amazing tripod stand. Guys, this tripod stand is long. It's almost as tall as I am. I'm going to put a video on the side right here so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Guys, any angle you want to do, any distance you want to do, this tripod stand has got you covered. When I watched videos about the length and how long it was, I was intrigued. So I was like, this is what I actually need. I don't need a short tripod. This is actually a very good tripod. It's actually 5 feet or 5.5 feet. Thereabouts, guys. It's really, really long. It's that long. And then this is what the legs look like. So this is how you just pull it up basically and expand it. And this is what the legs look like. It also has this non-slip silicone under the legs. So once you put it on a slippery ground, you don't have any fear that it's going to fall. It's going to strengthen it, basically. And it's actually made of aluminium alloy. So the rod is made of aluminium alloy. So you know that it's something durable that you are about to get. You can use it as a tabletop tripod. You can use it as a floor tripod. You can use it basically as anything you want. Waist length, full body length, anything. Now I know my content game is going to go to another level because this tripod is definitely giving what it's meant to give. And yes, I hope you guys love this unboxing and review. Basically, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment in the comment section. What questions do you have concerning this tripod? I'll be ready to answer you if I know the answers, and if I don't, I'll definitely do some research to know the correct answer to give you. If you also want to get it, I'm going to link the link in the description box so that you guys can see your options basically. I can't wait to start using it fully. So again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.